Hello guys, and welcome back to Crypto Bradley. So today we're going to be talking about Bitcoin, and then we're going to be talking about XRP, and just sort of, this is just a very quick update basically. Hopefully this video won't be too long, but currently we are on the 45-minute chart on Bitcoin. We are in a ascending wedge at the moment, and we're currently retesting the resistance of $30,400. We are looking okay at the moment. If we were to break above this in the next sort of couple of hours, then we should obviously be retesting the resistance of $31,100. If we were to break to the downside, then we would be, let's have a little look, we would be sort of coming down here and retesting the support of $29,861. But this is just obviously in the short term. We're not looking at that bearish at the moment. We have just ticked bullish on the MACD. Let's move to the 1 hour chart. I'll try and make this as quick as possible, but as you can see here on the 1 hour chart, we obviously ticked bullish here, and we ticked bullish on the MACD. So hopefully we should start getting some buying pressure and get some more volume into Bitcoin. So yeah, this is obviously the sort of pump that you're seeing here, sort of where we did tick bullish. So this is the hourly chart. So this was pretty much in the last couple of hours. Yeah, last couple of hours. And hopefully we should obviously start coming back up, but it looks like because obviously the last well, this has been what, today? Yeah, so today we've been retesting this resistance all day. Basically we've come up, retested, stayed on the resistance level slash support, like, because obviously it was like literally on the support, so it became like a resistance and a support at the same time. But yeah, then we've obviously come down, retested $29,300, and then we've obviously gone back up and then retested the 30,400. If we do break through this, then I should see a small pump to the upside here to $31,100. Was that? Yeah, 31,100. Oh, I'm drawing lines again. Yeah, so this is obviously in the short term, because obviously this is the 1 hour chart. So, but it does look like we are about to get rejected. So we may come back down and retest the $29,900 support level. If we move up to the 4 hour chart, then we should see, yeah, we bounced off of the yellow line here on the RSI and also the MACD. Not a lot of volume. So yeah, that could mean that we could probably come up and then obviously get rejected and come back down to this support level. Obviously this is a ascending wedge, so effectively this bottom line rising up here with these bottoms of these candles is effectively like a new support level, and the top part of it is the resistance level. So if we were to come back down, then hopefully we could just be retesting the bottom of this yellow line, but obviously if we break through this, then we'll start to retest the lower sort of like support levels, depending on what obviously happens. But yeah, we are looking okay. Obviously we are having a bit of a pump at the moment. I'm just hoping that we obviously break through this resistance here and actually try and get back up, because obviously we've been struggling to get through the $31,168 level. That's very specific. But yeah, we've obviously struggled a few times. We struggled around the 13th of May, and then we struggled on the 15th. And if we do come back up, we may get rejected and come back down to the support of $30,400. So that's sort of my prediction at the moment. Not a lot is going to be going on. It's a bit of up and down, retesting resistance levels and support levels, but it is only a matter of time before we have a break, really, hopefully. Obviously that's not guaranteed. Obviously this is not financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor, so obviously do not copy anything I do. This is only for like entertainment purposes only, basically. If we move from the 4 hour to the daily quickly, we have sort of come back down and retested this yellow line here on the RSI. We are about to tick bullish on the MACD, so I do feel like we're probably due a nice little break really to the upside. Every time this has happened here and we've actually ticked bullish on the yellow line, we do shoot up. So the last time this happened, it was quite a impulsive break to the upside. But like every time, look, you see, look, we go to the bottom, we tick bullish here, It did come back down, but then it shot to the upside. Same again here on the 14th of December 21. Same again here on the 10th of January 2022. Same again here on 20th of January, so beginning of this year on the 28th of January. And it looks like we are about to do it again. If we do get some more buying pressure and some more volume into Bitcoin, we should be having quite a big pump to the upside. So if we measure what happened last time, because this is literally pretty much the same sort of level here, and this was probably this pump here to the upside. So if we come up off this, that is not a very straight line, which is probably the one I've actually put in there already. I think I put in a bigger one. Yeah, so if we delete this one, so the more likely scenario is on the daily chart. We should, if we obviously close, if we do possibly close above this sort of resistance level of $30,500, then maybe we'll tick bullish on the MACD and maybe we'll get that pump that we all like sort of want really. Obviously, it may not happen in like of the course of like one day, but obviously if we do come back here, this happened over the course of about a week basically, so the rest of this week could be a bullish week and hopefully a bullish weekend, but this is all depends on if we tick bullish on the MACD down the bottom here, and then we could get that buying pressure that we want. But yeah, I'm only going off of this just for reference. The break could be quite a bit smaller or it could be quite a bit bigger, but I'm only going off of this because this is sort of the last, well maybe this one here was what happened last time, but if we literally go to the most recent one, which was back in January, beginning of this year, this is basically what happened, and you see a sudden amount of, so obviously look, you see all this selling pressure and then suddenly boom, you see all this buying pressure. Bitcoin's very, very low at the moment and it's probably at its bottom, so people are probably ready to start buying back Bitcoin, and it's becoming a legal tender in many, many countries, so it should be pumping back to the upside. I do think over probably the course of a couple of weeks, if we do tick bullish on the MACD and if my theory is correct, then we should hopefully see over the course of a few days, let's put it over here, a $41,600 Bitcoin. That's just going off of my theory. I mean, it's happened every single time. Like even if it went down here, like it went all the way down here, tick bullish on the MACD, and it shot up. You see a sudden amount of buying pressure. Look, and it just pumps up here like that. Like even that increase. Let's measure it. Even this one. So probably it obviously hit the bottom here, and then let's probably come off of this one here. So we go up, and that's a 24% increase. So if we were to do what I think we're going to do, I think that we should be coming up and doing 36% increase. That is a big pump basically, but this is just a theory. It's just a theory. Don't copy what I do or say. Well, you can copy what I say. I mean, that's up to you. But don't copy what I do. This is obviously not financial advice. I'm literally just trying to be bullish and trying to find some positives in Bitcoin. And you guys need to as well. Stop being so like upset about it. Obviously, this happens. Bitcoin gets bought up and obviously sells off because obviously it needs a cooling down period. Obviously, this was quite a big one, but we've obviously come down. We found our support, and I think over the next probably like week or two. I mean, I mean, it is possible. We could easily see a $41,600 Bitcoin in the next week or two. This is just my theory. It might be bonkers, but why not? I mean, it kind of makes sense. We've had this selling pressure here. Look, selling pressure, buying pressure, selling pressure, buying pressure. Like not every time that it's a lot. So we might not even pump as hard as I think we are. But it just happens. Look, over the course of what, a week. Look, and again a week. So a week of, well, this was actually more than a week of selling pressure. This was quite a lot actually. But you see like a week here, pump, week, pump. Like it does happen. I'm just trying to make this theory up, but I'm going to stick with it. So I think a $41,600 Bitcoin fairly soon. Let's say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Around the 24th of May. 24th or 25th, 41,600. We won't see the $50,000 Bitcoin, which we thought we would, but we're just going to go off of this theory. Anyway, so yeah, that's my theory for this one. Comment down below what you think. Let's go to XRP very quickly. We're in a ascending triangle. This is the 45-minute chart. If we were to break out of this, then we should see a pump here. So if we were to break out around here, then we should break through this resistance of 45 cents and this one of 48 and reach about 51 cents with XRP. If we were to break to the downside, it'll probably be about the same sort of selling pressure. So if we broke down about here, we'd be coming back down like we did here and retesting the support level of 34 cents. It might not be as dramatic as that, but obviously this is only on the 45-minute chart. So to be honest, maybe I've gone off of the wrong pump. I mean, it kind of looks like a bullish pennant pattern as well. If you look at it, you've kind of created like a bullish pennant, sort of like flag pattern here. So yes, it's either that, or in the meantime, it's probably this. So this sort of pump here. So if we break out here, then we could see a retest of 45 cents and potentially break through to about 46, and then probably get rejected and come back down to support of 45 cents. And then if we obviously break to the downside, then it'll probably be about the same. So if we break down about here, then we'll probably be retesting the support level like we have recently back here, of 39 cents. That's probably the more likely scenario at the moment, because obviously things aren't very bullish at the moment. But let's quickly move to the 1 hour chart. I need to be very, very, very quick. Yeah, looking okay. Recently ticked bullish. That's why we're having a pump to the upside. We are about to break out of this ascending triangle. See, it looks like a bullish pennant pattern. I'm just going to go off of that. If it's a bullish pennant pattern, then we could see a nice pump to the upside. Probably not as much as I hope, but we could be going up to about 51 cents if we do break out of this. If not, then it would probably be this sort of pump here. So it's two options: 51 cents, or we can come out and retest this resistance layer of 45 cents and sort of break through to about 46 cents. And then same again, if we break down, it would be about 39 cents. Retest the support level on the 1 hour chart. It's definitely a bullish pennant pattern. This is the 4 hour. We've created a bullish pennant pattern on XRP. So yeah, the break would be the first sort of prediction that I said. So if we do break out of here, which we are sort of about to, then we should see XRP going to about 51 cents. That's my prediction for XRP. If we were to break towards the downside, then we would be coming down here, breaking through the support of 39 and sort of reaching around 37 cents like we did previously here. Let's go to daily. Yeah, it's a bullish pennant pattern for sure. For sure. So yeah, hopefully we should start seeing some buying pressure now then, and then we should start seeing XRP getting to about 51 cents. Obviously Bitcoin's looking okay at the moment as well. So yeah, 51 cents. So my predictions now, 51 cents XRP fairly soon, and also Bitcoin. Bitcoin in the short term. Where are we? So yeah, Bitcoin in the short term, very, very short term Bitcoin, I reckon we could probably retest this resistance here of $31,200 and probably break through to match sort of what happened here previously at about $31,450. Potentially get rejected and then come back down to support. But if we do break through this, then we should see a retest of this resistance here. So obviously we've suddenly gone up, come down, gone up, come back down, retested the support, confirmed support, and we could potentially come back up and we could be retesting $31,900. So $31,900 Bitcoin and 51 cent XRP. This is the end of the video. Make sure you like and subscribe. Let's get the views up. Let's get the likes up as well. Let's say like goal, 10 likes.
and obviously I've got a goal for I've got a goal for subscribers, which is about 50 subscribers. I've only got 13 at the moment, so let's get that up there as well. But not sure what's happening with the views at the moment. Not sure if YouTube's liking me, but I'm posting every day. Maybe because I'm not posting at the right time every day. But anyway, need to end this video. It's too long now. I'll see you guys on the next one tomorrow at about 9, half 9. Peace.